Title: Exploring El Niño, Nature's Complex Climate Phenomenon. Before we dive into this video, this year 2023 into 2024 looks to be pointing to a strong El Niño. Later this month, we will go into Weather Rampage WX's Winter Weather Outlook 2023 to 2024. We will discover how El Niño will shape weather patterns in the US. But what exactly is an El Niño? El Niño, a climatic phenomenon with a recurring presence, has long fascinated scientists, meteorologists, and the general public, defined by the periodic warming of sea surface temperatures in the tropical Pacific Ocean. El Niño has a profound impact on weather patterns, ecosystems, and economies worldwide. In this article, we will delve into the complexities of El Niño, its origins, far-reaching effects, and its role in the broader context of climate science. El Niño, meaning the Christ child or the boy child in Spanish, is a pivotal element of the El Niño-Southern Oscillation ENSO climate system. ENSO encompasses the cyclic warming El Niño and cooling lanina of sea surface temperatures in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. El Niño represents the warm phase of the ENSO and occurs irregularly, typically every 2 to 7 years, with a duration of about 9 to 12 months. At the heart of El Niño lies the weakening or even reversal of the prevailing east to west trade winds across the tropical Pacific. These trade winds usually push warm surface waters toward the western Pacific, allowing cooler, nutrient-rich waters to upwell in the east. During El Niño episodes, the weakening of these trade winds triggers shifts in atmospheric and oceanic circulation patterns, causing warm water to accumulate in the central and eastern Pacific. This, in turn, disrupts global weather patterns. 1. Global weather patterns. El Niño exerts a dominant influence on global weather systems. It can lead to increased rainfall and flooding in certain regions, such as the western coast of South America, while causing droughts and heat waves in others, including parts of Australia and Southeast Asia. 2. Hurricanes and typhoons. El Niño typically suppresses hurricane development in the Atlantic, but enhances cyclone activity in the Pacific Ocean. This holds significant implications for coastal areas vulnerable to extreme weather events. 3. Agriculture and food security. The modified weather patterns associated with El Niño often disrupt agricultural cycles, resulting in crop failures and food shortages. This, in turn, affects global food prices and food security. Although El Niño is a naturally occurring climatic phenomenon, there is growing concern about how climate change may impact its frequency and intensity. Some studies suggest that as the planet warms, El Niño events could become more frequent and severe, complicating efforts to adapt to shifting climate patterns.